This is James Reaney with this week's Reaney's Pick in London Arts and Entertainment, and we are very privileged this week to have all the way from St. Thomas, Matthew and the Birds. And they're going to be performing on Saturday as part of the Loud event at the London Public Library. Things are getting a little loud right now, and I bet they're going to sing Raining Meow.
Raining, and the smoke coming from the corner. Cop sitting in a car all alone, wishing he was home. There's a river on the sidewalk, and orange boats sail down. Some of the things I catch when I look around. Singing songs that soothe my aching soul. Wind brushes your face and the moon paints its glow. Don't care that it's so cold. Don't care that it's so cold. It feels like home. Sitting in a leather chair, feels like I've always been there. Hear the saxophone playing, laughing the things I am saying.
You rock! From St. Thomas, Matthew and the Birds, and you are going to be part of Loud Howls the Wolf at the London Public Library's Wolf Performance Hall on Saturday, starting at 11 a.m. with a whole bunch of other great acts. This is James Reaney signing off. Woo!